Check out this new 2011 Dodge Ram 2500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Ram 2500 boasts a 6.7-liter inline-six engine, and has an automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Luxury Group, Protection Group, HD Snowplow Prep Group, 6-speed automatic transmission with odd 4.10 axle ratio, anti-spin rear axle, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel engine, PWR trailer tow mirrors, LT265/70R17E on off-road all tires, dark slate medium greystone, cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, 17 inches x 8.0 polished forged aluminum wheels, PWR adjustable pedals and the remote start system. Call 877-331-8023 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.